Hello everybody, and thank you so much for joining my channel. My name is Rocky, and if you're new, this is where we talk about fashion, lifestyle right here in my city of Chicago, and just a little bit of beauty. Interestingly, today is all about beauty. Let's get right into it. So I want to start off with following up on some things we talked about before. It's a fragrance review. I told you about I had a little hot date night, and I got this Gucci bracelet as a gift. But along with this bracelet, they gave a sample of one of their newest fragrances, and this one is from the Alchemist Garden. I couldn't remember the line, but it's the Alchemist Garden line, and this one is called Lignum Idealis. When I originally smelled this, I said, hey, this is giving me boss vibes, like serious vibes. If I wanted to go into a boardroom and command myself, and I hadn't worn it on skin. This was literally by spraying it on paper. I have since worn it on skin. The opening is very much strong boss vibes, but the dry down is very powdery and soft. And as a matter of fact, it's still mature, but it could be masculine or feminine. Feminine, like soft, but if you put it on a man, I think it would present as safe. It is not giving you, it would present as very safe. So anyway, I actually have it on now because I wanted to remind myself of how it wore on skin, but it's still woody, it's still musky, but there's a powdery softness to it as well. So it doesn't necessarily have to be in a serious situation, but it definitely can exude femininity, or it could exude safe. So if you're going on a first date, gentlemen, I think this is a good first date because it's strong early in the day. And then as the day wears on, I think that your date can relax. And then for women, I think it's powerful first on, but then, you can remember that, hey, I am a woman. Nonetheless, I actually quite like this. Now for me, is this full bottle worthy? No. I have other woody fragrances, probably not as complex as this, but I have other woody fragrances. And woody isn't my leading favorite note. I love it as a base. I love it as a complement to my florals, of course. But this is not necessarily my go-to thing. So I like it. I will use the sample, but I'm not sure that it's full bottle worthy for me, especially at the price point that Gucci Alchemist, the Alchemist Garden line comes in. Not for me. This is like $400 for a bottle. Now, what I also wanted to come back on is I told you about this really clean fragrance brand that's based right here near Chicago in the suburbs of Chicago, Illinois, called Wicked Good. And buying something for my husband, of course, whenever I buy him something, I buy me something. I bought a mystery kit that came with a lot of different things. Two things I want to share. There was a little, what was it? It's a little thing that hangs from your rear view mirror with fragrance, and it had oil in it or whatever. And I said, I can never use these without making a mess. And for sure, I made a mess. Somehow, I don't know, when I was tying it on, something happened. The whole thing broke. The whole thing fell. Glitter, liquid, oils, everything got everywhere. So I had to go take my car in to go get clean. So, and nonetheless, my point is me. I'm sure it's me. It's not those dangly things. But every time I've gotten one, I've made a mess in the car. That said, it smelled divine, but it just didn't work out. Now, the other thing I wanted to share, I got this caramel cur everything oil. You can put it on your skin, your hair. What did they say? Skin, hair, body. Skin, hair, body. So you can put it everywhere. So I put it on my body. I like being able to, because most of my lotions that I use for actually hydrating my skin have no fragrance. So I do like to pair oils with them to give it a little something. And I tried to do it with this, and the smell from this one, I could smell it in the bottle, but when I put it on, and then I've just put it on just on my arms, just bare, just to see what it would give me. It's not very strong. And it isn't overly moisturizing where I say, okay, just because it doesn't smell nice, I definitely need this to give my skin that shine, that glow. It's middle of the pack. So if this comes in a mystery kit, it's great, but I wouldn't necessarily reach for this. I'm going to use it. It doesn't smell bad. That's a plus. It doesn't irritate my skin. That's a plus. And it doesn't make my skin drier, because I put some things on like that before where it sucks the moisture out of my skin. So yeah, I'll use it. The other thing that I tried here was that they gave me was this Bare Alchemy EDP, and it comes in an awkward bottle. Like, I'm used to fragrance bottles having a different lid, not like this. It's like more like a room spray bottle or something like that. Nonetheless, it's called an EDP, and the notes here are bergamot peel, amber, sandalwood, and white musk. When I put my nose on this, it's nice, but when I got a hint of like some sort of essence of, or an accord of, a white floral, or a white floral in general, because it's not listed here, but it's giving me a little bit of a reaction. So I said, you know what, it could be my mind playing tricks on me. So I did wear it. I did try it. It doesn't smell awful, but again, it's the irritation for me. So would I recommend it? Absolutely. If you're a white floral person, this is what it looks like. It doesn't want to focus. If you're a white floral person, this is fine. But for me, it just didn't work out. It has all these other notes. Absolutely. If it were really, truly just this, I think I would love this, because these are all the notes that I love. With the exception of rose and pepper are missing, I would love this. But we move. Speaking of fragrance, I have been trying to rearrange my collection. I have a very small space where I can fit my fragrances. I'm due for a declutter, but additionally, there are some that I have that I just don't reach for because I can't see them. I'm just packed so tightly. And so what I ended up doing was getting a lipstick, lipstick container. I don't know what you call it, a lipstick organizer. And it comes with like 24 slots in there. And I put my travel sprays in there, or anything that's the size of or close to the size of a travel spray. I put in those slots, and the way I was able to free up space and move things around is amazing. Thinking about getting a second one so I can do the rest of my fragrances that are sized that way. And I can move even more things around, and just so I can see my fragrance. That's my challenge right now. I'm not wearing everything because I'm only reaching for the things that I can see. So I need to organize them in a way where I can see them, and I have limited space. So I'm due for a clear out, or a declutter is what we call it in the fragrance community. And then also rearrange and organize it in a way where I can see everything. So I can just wear all my fragrances, because I think I'm at about like 85 fragrances, not including travel sizes and samples like this size, not including that. I don't got to count that, but yeah. Now, speaking of beauty, Aveda had a very good sale. I know some people always wonder, like, why do I love Aveda so much? I was introduced to Aveda when I was in college, and I got introduced to their humectant and anti-humectant pomades. And I just love them, and they just the best products I had ever used up until that point, because I was using just like the corner store beauty supply, whatever, up until that point. And so I fell in love, and they've always had a place in my heart. They're super expensive. It always felt like a treat and a luxury to be able to buy something from Aveda. And it still feels that way. It's a treat to be able to buy something from Aveda. And so they have a sale. Whenever they have a sale, that's when I typically will buy something. Or if I'm like dangerously low on something that I use all the time, and they're having double or triple points at that time frame, that's the only time that I'll buy Aveda products. But they had a sale right now. I'm not sure how long it's going until, and if, take a look. If you're into these products, go take a look. I re-upped on my beautifying oil. This can be used just like that other oil, that everything oil can be used for hair, and not your face, hair, skin, and then like a bath oil if you want to, and for massages and things like that. So it can be used for pretty much everything. It says body, bath, and scalp on here. I use it for my hair, exclusively for my hair. I don't think I've ever put this on my skin, which is neither here nor there. And it's pretty expensive for what it is, but I like it. The other thing I got was this hydrating lotion. This is probably the best face lotion I've ever used, because doesn't clog my pores, doesn't cause any irritation, doesn't compete with anything else that I'm using on my skin. I can use it for day, for night. It is very, very versatile, and it's good for people with, for me, sensitive skin. There was a time where I had terrible skin. Like, my skin isn't the best right now, but it was terrible. And during the pandemic, I decided, like, I'm going to do something. I'm at home. I have nothing but time on my hands. I decided I had to find a way to clear my skin. So I put a system together. Doing all the research on the things that work and don't work, and people have the best results, I found like the core ingredients of things that would work on my skin, plus things I've had success with in the past. I just put a whole system together and stayed like consistent, and I was able to clear my skin. It was better than what it is now because I'm just not as diligent about it. But nonetheless, my point is I wanted to tell you, there is one thing that's in my system that I use that I just never skimp on or never skip. And that's this Aveda Naturals Vitamin C Skin Clearing Serum. You've probably heard me talk about this before in the past. And it is, for how well it works, it to me is very affordable. And this is something that I use every morning. I'm just showing this because I've re-upped on this one, and I just want to show you like that's sort of my new in item. But I also want to put you onto it. It has vitamin C, salicylic acid, hyaluronic acid, niacinamide, retinol, and MSM in it. And it's, I don't know if it's necessarily, it's kind of hydrated. It plumps my skin. It's hydrating. And then over top, I will put this with my what is it? My Paula's Choice sunscreen. I'll mix it together and I'll put that on my face over top this in the mornings. So I have my system, and at night I do other things, and I wash my face morning and night and stuff like that. But I have my system, and it keeps things at bay, so to speak. But when I was like diligent about it, like I did a 180 on my skin. But anyway, you can get this from Amazon. I'll try to link as much as I can down below. These Aveda products, Wicked Good, Aveda's Naturals, all those things. But I want to share like the things that have worked for me. Just like, I don't gatekeep. So if it helped me, maybe it'll help you. Now, the next thing I want to share here is, and I'm just hoping you all know something about this. I don't know. So I did an impulse buy. I was in the grocery store there to pick up my Starbucks drinks, and because there's a Starbucks in my grocery store. And while I was waiting, there's always a little clearance rack area, and that's where I live. Whether it be a clothing store, a grocery store, I'm always on the clearance rack. And I saw these products, and hopefully they will focus. It's by the brand Function of Beauty. And I don't know if you've ever heard of it. I tried to look it up, and it was very limited information on their website. And what these are specifically, one says curl definition, the other one says strengthen, the other one says lengthen, and it's hashtag hair goal booster shots. They're all fragrance free. And so what you're supposed to do with these, and there's a little diagram, which you won't be able to see very well, but there is a little diagram that shows you what you're supposed to do. You take the little capsule and you put it into their full-sized beauty products. So whether it be their shampoo, their conditioner, their leave-in, their styling products, these can go into each of those things. I didn't have time. I was running in and out, and I saw that these were listed for $1.10. Can you see that? They were $1.10 each. I'm like, I don't even know what the original price was. I just know that $1.10 is pretty cheap, so let me get it. When I got home and read this, I'm like, I don't even know where to find Function of Beauty products. So listen, if you know, before I do this, in the comments down below, let me know. So I was thinking, like, for example, this curl definition one, I'm going to put it into my Aveda Be Curly Curl Enhancer Cream. And do you think that's a good idea? Because let me show you what the capsule looks like. You get 2 capsules, and like one is to suffice for 1 bottle of whatever it is you're going to put it in. But this is a booster. And I was thinking I'd shake it up into this thing and then see if I get even more curl definition. Or do you think it would mess this up? So let me know in the comments down below what you think. I don't know. It was an impulse buy, and these like answer a lot of the hair problems that I have: strength, length, and curl definition. All of the things I want. I was like, yeah, let's do it. The other question I have is, if you do know about this product, is can I put one of each can I put 3 capsules into this? Let me know. So that brings us to the end of today's beauty video. You know, I don't usually do beauty videos, but I had a lot to say today about beauty in general. Come on back, subscribe if you haven't already. Now, I've been told that I don't beg enough for you all to subscribe. So please subscribe. I don't bother you the whole video to say to subscribe. But if you could, that would be nice. And share it with your friends so they can subscribe too. We're trying to grow. Thank you so much for watching. Leave a comment down below. Give a thumbs up. And again, subscribe. Bye.
Rocky, she's just a fashion girl from Chicago. Rocky, just a fashion girl.